Just look at the balance of my Phantom wallet. If you want to make real money, then in this video, I will tell you how you can achieve that. Today, I'll show a method of earning on meme coins in the Solana ecosystem with minimal risks. As you can see, I already have extensive experience in creating tokens, each of which is profitable. This is a real way to make money, and it consists of not trading meme coins like most people do, but launching them. You don't need programming skills. You don't even need to have tens of thousands of dollars to start doing this. You only need to have a computer, a small starting capital, and the basic knowledge of launching meme coins that you'll get by watching this video. I recommend starting with a budget from $300 to $1,000. The most optimal is a budget of $500 to $700. Okay, let's get started. I use the Union Launch website to launch tokens. You can find the link to it in the description. The meme coin launch method that we'll look at today gives your token a huge initial impulse without marketing and promotion. After creating our meme coin, it will immediately appear on all major exchanges, including DEX Screener. Every day, thousands of meme coins are created, on which their creators earn thousands of dollars. To create our own token, we first need to choose any popular token on DEX Screener that we will copy. We will need its avatar, name, description, and links. I'll choose the token called BPAD, and we'll create my own meme coin based on it. The choice of token greatly affects the trust of investors and sniper bots, so I recommend choosing only popular tokens. Now, on the Union Launch website, you need to go to the Create Token tab. We fill in all the fields in order here. In the token name field, I enter BPAD, and in symbol, I also write BPAD. In the decimals field, I leave 9 and then indicate the token supply. I usually set it to 1 billion. This is the optimal value for launching tokens with a small capitalization. Next, we upload the image for our token. Now we fill in the description. Just copy it from the existing token. Below are additional fields. Let me tell you about them in more detail. The first is creators info. I always enable this option because it allows you to specify the creator's wallet. Bots and traders track low liquidity launches tied to large wallets because they believe that the creator will then add Solana to the pool and strongly pump the price. Some projects really do this, and sniper bots automatically react to such signals, and you can pass off your token as one of them. We will find a wallet with a large balance in the Telegram channel where all new tokens appear together with the creators' wallets. We find the wallet with a large balance, click owner. We will be redirected to the SolScan website where you need to copy the wallet address. After that, we return to Union Launch and paste into the creator's address field the wallet we just copied. The creator's name field can be filled in as you like. It's not important. Next, we enable the social networks filling option. This will help increase trust in the meme coin. Just take the links to the resources from the token we are copying, fill in Telegram, Twitter, and the website. Now, the most interesting part, launching the initial liquidity for the token. Here you can specify the amount in Solana, the number of tokens, and the fee. With this option, we set the initial liquidity, the token's capitalization, and form its price. Enabling this option is a mandatory condition for listing the token on DEX Screener and similar exchanges. I already have extensive experience launching meme coins, and I can say that it is optimal to specify between 3 to 5 Solana here for initial liquidity. With this amount, you can achieve the maximum token growth in the first 10 to 15 minutes, which is what we need. I will specify liquidity of 3 Solana as an example. After that, we specify the number of tokens in the pool. I always enter 90% of the total supply. In my case, that's 900 million. I set the fee to 2%, which is the optimal value. Now, let's go through the 3 options at the bottom. The first option is mandatory and cannot be disabled, as it prohibits freezing coins after the token is created. The second option does not allow issuing new tokens after its creation. If you disable this option, it can seriously scare potential buyers because you could have issued, for example, 1 billion tokens, And tomorrow you could issue another billion, which would lead to the token's price dropping by about 50%. And the third option is also recommended when creating tokens. It does not allow changing token data after its creation. In the end, I strongly recommend leaving all three options enabled, as this is the main guarantee for investors and bots that you will not crash the token price so easily. And most importantly, now we need to enter our wallet to which we intend to withdraw the Solana. Here, I will specify the wallet address from which I am creating the meme coin so that the money comes to the same place. Okay, now we click launch token and pay Solana to the specified wallet. And done. We confirm the payment, and in a moment we see the address of our new token. Let's check it on SolScan. As you can see, everything went perfectly. We minted 1 billion tokens and they are already trading on popular exchanges. Let's check our token on one of those exchanges. We go to Dex Screener, and in the search we find our token by address. It is already trading and bots have automatically bought it in small amounts. Our token now has liquidity of about $1,000. It formed from the initial pool that we specified. My initial pool was about $500 or 3 Solana, from which the $1,000 of liquidity came. Now our meme coin is actively trading on major exchanges, and sniper bots tracking new token creations are buying it with great enthusiasm. Let's wait a bit. Maybe real investors with serious money will join. I usually wait from 10 to 15 minutes from the moment the token is created. If you wait longer, investors and bots start taking profits and selling coins, which is not profitable for us. Let's wait a bit more and observe the price chart. Wow, look at that. Someone has just bought the token for more than $300. If I withdraw the liquidity now, I will get about 12 Solana, which significantly exceeds the launch costs. To withdraw the money from the liquidity pool, you need to go to the liquidity pool tab. We see that the liquidity pool amount now stands at $1,900. Let's click the minus to withdraw that money to our wallet. We check that the slider is set to 100%. Look, if I pull the money out of the pool now, I will get 12.5 Solana and my token will devalue for the investors. Let's do the rug pull. Boom. The money went to my wallet. I'll open Phantom Wallet to see when it arrives. Many token creators in the Solana ecosystem put effort into marketing and developing their projects. So bots and investors continue to buy fresh coins in large volumes. As long as this method works, it brings real money. The earning limits here depend only on you and the time you are willing to spend. Yes, the Solana finally arrived in my wallet. Let's see what happened to the token. All the coins were removed from the pool, which means the token's price is now close to zero. Investors lost their money and we made a good profit. In the end, I earned more than $1,200 in just 20 minutes. This method works because such schemes appear and quickly become obsolete in the crypto market. If you have found a profitable scheme, act as fast as possible. It may stop being profitable as early as tomorrow. Share your opinion in the comments.